The incredible letter I. Let's learn together. Imagine a world filled with incredible things. Today, we dive into the letter I. Are you ready to explore? Let's find out what makes I special. The letter I is the 9th letter in the alphabet. It's often found at the beginning of many fun words. Today, we'll discover 3 exciting words that start with I. First up, we have ice cream. Everyone loves this cold, yummy treat. Ice cream comes in many flavors: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. What's your favorite flavor? Next, let's talk about igloos. These are cozy homes made of ice. People build igloos in cold places. Isn't it amazing how they keep warm inside? Now, let's discover an insect, the inchworm. This little creature moves slowly, inching along the ground. Inchworms are fascinating to watch as they wiggle. Did you enjoy learning about ice cream, igloos, and inchworms? The letter I connects us to so many wonderful words. Let's think about how we can use the letter I. You can write I for igloo or draw an ice cream cone. What will you create? Now, here comes something super fun. Are you ready to sing the ABC song with us? Sing along and let's celebrate all the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Let's remember the letter I today and every day. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to Kiddo Learns for more fun videos. See you next time. Imagine tasting a delightful scoop of ice cream on a hot day, or snuggling inside a warm igloo while snow falls outside. Each of these experiences highlights the joy and magic of the letter I. As we explore more, let your imagination soar. What things can you think of that start with I? Now that we've sung our ABCs, let's take a moment to recall the letter I. This special letter opens doors to so many new adventures, like making a colorful illustration or sharing an interesting fact about inchworms. Each time we use the letter I, we embark on another journey filled with creativity and excitement. Isn't that wonderful? Now, let's think of more ways to incorporate the letter I into our lives. You could invite your friends for an ice cream party or invent a new game that uses the word inchworm. The possibilities are endless, and every idea brings us closer to the fun journey of learning. What inventive things will you come up with? Remember, each time we explore, we create memories that make learning exciting. So, let's keep our imaginations active and our spirits high as we continue to discover all the marvelous things that begin with the letter I. What if you wrote a story about an adventurous igloo explorer or painted a vibrant picture of an inchworm inching along a leaf? The creativity sparked by the letter I can lead to endless fun. As we capture these thoughts, let's remember that exploration is just the beginning. Every time we use words that start with I, we embark on new paths filled with discovery, laughter, and joy. We can create delicious ice cream recipes, build imaginary igloos in our minds, or even observe inchworms in their natural habitats. Each moment becomes an opportunity to learn and grow. So, let's embrace the letter I and continue our thrilling adventure together. What a fantastic way to express our creativity! Whether it's writing, drawing, or playing, each idea connected to the letter I brings delightful possibilities. Let's keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of the letter I. Remember, each time you encounter this letter, it opens up a universe of imagination and fun experiences. Keep spreading the joy of learning, and we hope to see you again soon for more adventures with letters.